What is up guys, and welcome to this new video. In today's video I will be showcasing my new purchase of the Traxxas Xmaxx latest version and all the things I got with it. And after that I will be driving this amazing beast, so stay tuned for that. So now let's jump straight into the video. So first of all, we got the truck itself. It's a Traxxas Xmaxx 8S with belted tires. And this is the latest version of the Traxxas Xmaxx series that Traxxas has given out. And with this truck you get the transmitter. But after that I have bought some accessories like the charger for the two 4S LiPo batteries. And in addition to that I have bought 4 pedal tires. And last of all, the Traxxas Xmaxx Wide Max kit for better stability on the road. But with that all said, we are going to test ride this beast and see how it performs. If you want to learn more about the details or specs about this car, you can click the link in the description, or else I will put a photo up here on the screen that you can pause and read. So with that all said, we jump straight into driving this beast. Let's go. So now we're out here and we are going to start the Traxxas Xmaxx up. Put the body on. Like that. Oh my god. The traction is amazing. See if it can climb this rock. With ease. Let's try again from the other way. See, get a little bit closer. Not even a problem. Amazing truck. And now we're going to take it out for some jumps, so let's go. I'm going to do this. Oh, cool. And we can go over here. Of course you can. Oh. The shocks on this thing is amazing. It just absorbs everything it comes in contact with. And the power. See one more time. I missed it again. speed on this thing is amazing too. It's just, you can drive everywhere too. See if we can jump off this rock here. It's quite agile for being such a big truck, actually. Oppa! One thing I really enjoy about this truck as well is the noise that the tire makes. It's so realistic. I love it. Oh. Love it. Really? The power of this truck is so much. Woo! Love it. This was actually a great jump here. We're gonna do it one more time. Whoop. As you can see, I'm not the one that drives the truck that hard. I'm so cautious about it, and I don't want to break anything. So that was about it for this video. If you like this video, just like and subscribe. It will mean so much to me. And also, if you have reached this far into the video, drop a car emoji in the comments. So see you next time. And also, if you want to learn how to install the Traxxas Xmaxx roof skid plate, there will be coming a video up soon on the channel. So stay tuned for that.